Good morning, Woody here with GMR Metal Roofs and Construction. Want to just say thank you to all the parishioners here at Awakening Church and Pastor Brian for the opportunity to finally finish up your guys' project here. We know what you guys have been through. Thank you for trusting us to do the proper things, and after all you've been through, and we greatly appreciate the opportunity to serve you guys and let you guys continue to do the work that you do inside this community. With us here, knowing the situation you're in, the one thing I would ask is that if you could please share the favor and kind of find us on Facebook and Google and all those other social media things that, you know, help us do business and do the right things that contractors should be doing. And other than that, if you guys don't mind, take a picture of that QR code on our sign and give us a thumbs up or give us a blessing or whatever you need to do. And hopefully your roof will be the last one you've ever got to put on. And again, Woody at GMR Metal Roofs and Construction, and I'm just truly blessed to be able to do what we get to do every day. Thank you very much, and continue the good work, and let the Lord be our light to give us the humble ways that we need to do to follow his path. Thank you all. Have a wonderful Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
The right choice is your last choice. GMR Metal Roofs, built to last.